a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
This video una furu ebe this whole thing si wee manite. Simon Ekpa started. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nyere order from DSS dungeon. We say ka Simon Ekpa bido na broadcast na Radio Biafra, right? Onye obuna kwere ekwe, including that Simon Ekpa o kwere ekwe that na aga na broadcast na Radio Biafra. O kwere that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwulie. At a time agwanye me ihe ibe na-eme, o kweghị eme ya. The team bido butewe katakata, butewe esemokwu, ana-apịchie ana-aga gazi, ana-ebupute, ana-apịchie ana-ebupute na anwụ. Ya ka emegidoro everything wee mee escalate now. Everything wee mee escalate now. Everywhere wee gbasasịa. Simon, that same Simon Ekpa sị na ya bụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple. Kedu onye na-akpọ m ihe a? In a claim that neighbor Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we mepe ọnụ, we gwa gị ihe ị ga-eme, imeghe ya. Then this thing we na-ebute okwu na, we na-achọ divide everybody, na-achọ ịghasasị ebe niile, ịgbachite nkịtị. As if that one is not enough. Kama ị ga-mind ya your lane. Ịpụtakwa everyday ndị DOS mecha video pụta, buru oche nọdụ, as in na-ready to the leadership Mazi Nnamdi Kanu claim that na-ebu disciple ya. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu you claim that you love. Ijide the leadership Mazi Nnamdi Kanu happen behind in a destroy. Simon Ekpa, for heaven's sake, for kingdom's sake, who are you working for? Did you as in it's a name of romance? Oh, going up on me, nobody should call me, please. It's a name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case in it what they ask. I don't get you. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nanya, where did the leadership Mazi Nnamdi Kanu happen na scatter? Every day ibuloche nodo na akoma kande DOS. Did you think that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu poto okurugu na ho? Did you think that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu poto support wa Simon Ekpa? Who are you working for? What is your motive na this struggle? I am asking you this question, Simon Ekpa. If at all that nande DOS are there metie, it is not your duty to come out and analyze them. It does not concern you. Onwe ihe gbasalugu die. As in, it is none of your business. You put a name and the DOS analyze it. Na akohono, na akowa makaha. Na as in na meaning what? Simon Ekpa, for kingdom's sake, if you cannot be under the DOS, you go to hell, you fuck off. Get out and go to hell. If you cannot be under DOS, Simon Ekpa, I command you to leave us alone. Ije konaidia with apunapuna Nelly of Ebu, goni akwo maka idu kingdom. Ifuna nka ha agaghị ahịa emile onwere dodge ya. Onwe as it in pretend as if you are not involved na Nelly's mess. While goma budi oga patapata, goma budi brain behind this madness Nelly of Ebu na display na social media today. Simon Ekpa, I'm asking you today, who are you working for? Go in na alolo. What is your motive na struggler? Simon Ekpa, because sharing video, share this video. Somebody should tag Simon Ekpa na this video. Share this video. Enough is enough, Simon Ekpa. For the last time, don't allow me to remember you. You dare not come and tamper with our leadership. You are not a crazy man. Never you ever. Don't do that rubbish. Stay away from us. If you cannot be under the leadership Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kept before they kidnapped him, then you get out. Go and form your own. Go and join Uchoka from before and leave DOS alone. They are not your problem. Since you cannot be under them, get out. We don't want you. Simon Ekpa, I'm begging you. us alone. Onwe ihe gbasara IPOB. Onwe ihe gbasara die. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na asị ibu disciple ya na love onye osi from DSS dungeon wee nye God imere. Mana ịpụta isizie that na ihe niile Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu na DSS na ọ bụrụ eziokwu. Who are you working for, Simon Ekpa? You want to destroy this struggle. DOS is as in spoil this struggle. Are you going to come out and lead us? Simon Ekpa, hapogo Biafra struggle igenwetela anya. Are you going to get Biafra for us? I am asking you this question. For those of you na put comment rubbish, Simon Ekpa put na-eme DOS analyze. Ina asi ride on nwa Chineke. But anybody putazi okwu na ihe Simon na-eme na odoro mma ikpo ya gossip. But nke Simon Ekpa na-eme oburo gossip, right? It's not gossip. Who is calling me? I don't need anybody to call me now, please. I need anybody. I am begging you, please don't call me to stop me. Go and talk to Simon Ekpa. Let him stay away from DOS and IPOB. We are not, as in, we are formidable. Our struggle the leadership Mazi Nnamdi Kanu set behind before he kidnap Oya. You will name me caricature on social media. Simon Ekpa, who the heck are you? Onyekebo, who sent you into this struggle? What is your motive? If you cannot wait for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out so that you report DOS to him, then you get out, leave us alone. We are not begging you. Before Abraham, Jesus adigo. So why you get you women at this struggle? Name as if that now go butcher all and all. For what? What did you mean? Who are you to analyze DOS? What right have you? Onye go that power because of Facebook. You will feel that now you have arrived. In the DOS. Everybody na see focus. Why Simon Ekpa? Why is he not focusing? Why no focus on his expose? Why would you happen his expose? Name is in the DOS expose. DOS or go Nigerian government. And up to claim all of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Share video. Share this video. Enough is enough. We cannot continue to allow these people to destroy what we have built for so many years. Simon Ekpa, how many years will take Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to build IPOB? To set up DOS. Simon Ekpa, as in because of Biafrans. But you see it on Facebook, you name expose. If you know that now you have contributed so much. Simon Ekpa, what have you contributed in this Biafra struggle? What right have you to come out and be analyzing DOS? What right have you? Ke right in where Simon Ekpa? You are no more doing expose. You are now analyzing DOS. Or it is obvious that now, as in, it is very obvious that now Akago de Ojiji Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Akago de ne. Keki gesi puta happy he kwesili ime. Happen de na chugo na choosing de go na ha na achu ofi ihe. Simon Ekpa, are you sure that they are fighting for restoration of Biafra? Ke biaru mposa. Your Facebook approaching us and want to say that that they are taking over from DOS. Ikwete Chinas and want to choya or side the may accommodate. You accommodated her. Cable leader, you want to be leader. Simon Ekpa, you don't want to be under DOS. You want to be your own leader. But I'm sitting here today to tell you that now it's not going to be possible. You can never be leader of what you did not form. Ejide Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ani ekwu ta ga-esi ahapia ina agbanekanika na aghasasi ihe niile kama ị ga na-ejikọta ọnụ. Gịnị bụ that thing DOS ade emete? Simon Ekpa, what is that thing that na DOS ade emete? Gịnị bụ that thing? Ị ga-eji wee pụtazie na agba ha mgba. Na ha do dolu, they are not active, and so onye anyelugo ọnụ ị ga-eji wee pụta na akpali DOS. Ị na-enye ha insult and support go. Isi na azụ na akwili neli ofegbu we na agbaka onwe ka ute ịpụta n'ihu anyị pretend you can imagine somebody mepe ọnụ sị mụ akwa ifu some of our people eligo no most of you are stupid. Mmadu mepe ọnụ sị mụ what of ọbụ na struggle ọbụ na nwere onwe anyị si n'aka Tony Nnadi pụta that na ọ na maga ha like ya. You can imagine ebe somebody si na ebe an IPOB member ikwete that na as in na Tony Nnadi ga-enweta nwunye Biafra. wee pụta everyday ositie dan ndị dos mecha broadcast Simon Ekpa pụta na peji na-ekwu okwu ndị dos then some of you agaghị akọl ya gossip unu ama nsị na gossip ka ọ na gossip ị sọpọtụọ ya unu na-eso ebe ọ ga-abụ ọchaghachi egbute ọchaghacha si gbute oke today afọ jikwana that na nwunye Maazị Nnamdi Kanu si ka erezieri ego na ya na ụmụ ya nidiri ego and some of you are dancing to their tone ejiri unu na dance eji brain unu na-aṅụ garị Simon Ekpa pụta ọkpụrụ ndị dos n'ọnụ dawa na abụrụ gossip mana ngwa ịpụta si na ihe Simon Ekpa na-eme na ọ dịrọ mma unu akpọ ya gossip. I saw so many of your comments there. Some of you comments afụcha m ka unu na comment there na-asị ya nwa Chineke ride on. Who told you that na Simon Ekpa bụ nwa Chineke? Ọ sị na ọ bụ nwa Chineke wee jide the structure Maazị Nnamdi Kanu hapụ before e kidnap ya wee na-destroy ha. Ịpụta na support ya. Where are you? Kedu ebe unu na kedu ebe Simon Ekpa na Nelly Ofegbudu na-aga? Kedu ebe ọkpụ na-aga? Onye m na-ajụ gị. Where is he taking you people to? Ịpụta na-edobe arụ that na Simon Ekpa is working very well. He is doing expose ọ na-emezi since all this while bụzi dos. Ihe a Simon Ekpa na-eme na Facebook oke na ndị dos na ha dị emete. Can Simon Ekpa be able to go and release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Ọ ga-release nwa Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Ihe m na-ajụ unu. Okay, ebe ndị dos adị emete kedu izi ihe a ga-eme oke sit at home ọdụ onye on Sunday and Monday onwe onye tụpụrụ ya ọnụ that same person ka ị na-efolo that same person ka ị che that na ọ ga-enwetara ogo gịnị na ọ ga-erelease gị onye. Okay, this last time akpọpụta Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na court we decided to keep it secret ọmarọ because ọ bụrụ na ha ama na ahapụta were eme propaganda ko pụtakwuo ya ọ dasị if ka Maazị ọ na-agwa ha okwu direct. We are working on the ground on how to release Maazị Nnamdi. Iche na ihe niile ka ga-apụta na Facebook bịa na-agwa gị. Mee ka mumu ma gụ nweta ihe ị na-achọ. Ọ bụghị every time ịpụta na-agbakeru anya n'isi. Unu na-eje ebe a na-enye unu empty promise. Ga ekwuchi okwu na Facebook onye ọbụla anakpụsịa. Onwezi anything na na-eme behind the ihe anụnwa camera. What is the meaning of this? Before I na-ekwu ihe I took my time to follow him ka mmagodo ebe this guy ga-land and today all land go. So dos is now Simon Ekpa's problem. Nya dos bụzi nsogbu Simon Ekpa. Every day ọ pụta na Facebook ọ kpụrụ ndị dos n'ọnụ meaning what? Get right, so anywhere anybody si wee pụta na obido na-akọtọ ndị dos, right? Ọkwa all go to this level. I don't blame anybody. Onye m blame bụ zoo government because ọ bụrụ na impostor Buhari and co ejeghị kidnap Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. I don't think that na something like this ga-emecha mee. I don't think that na people ga-apụta bido na-akọtọsị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and dos because ngwa ịkpọrọ dos iyi ịkpọgo Maazị Nnamdi Kanu iyi. Ngwa ịkọtọrọ dos ịkọtọgo Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Hello,
good evening.
Good evening. Who is this?
Yes, on this one.
Who?
I'm watching your video on live. That's why I called you.
Please, what is your name?
My name is Holy Sunday Blank.
Okay.
Listen, if all these things on your blood, everybody will be this black. It says the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Are just turning this struggle upside down. Sorry to say, because everybody now about Simon Ekpa, my dear. Sometimes in life we have to sit down and think and call each other, everyone together to talk. Even if Simon Ekpa is not doing the right thing, you yourself is not for the Ruben Kita show me that's not fighting.
My brother, don't tell me that because gịnị ka ị gwa Simon Ekpa mgbe ọ na-apụta eme dos analyze? Gịnị ka ị gwara ya? What did you tell him? Ị gwara ya gwa okwu ị na-agwa nna? Did you call Simon Ekpa na-enye advice ị na-enye nna?
Okay, fine. If you want to hear, then I will talk to you. I will tell you.
Wait, ị kpọgo Simon Ekpa before si anya hapụ ndị dos aka? Have you called him before? Ị kpọgo ya? Onwe ihe na-ege ntị saa m ihe yes or no? Have you called Simon Ekpa to order?
If that's what you wanted, let me explain to you.
Don't call me again. Anyway, let me block you now. Can block Ogi. If you know that you cannot answer my question, don't call me. There is no need of you calling me, because if you do that, I'm going to block you. You don't need to call me to tell me any shit. Simon Ekpa pụta na-eme ndị DOS analyze pụta na-akpọ ha ọnụ na-agwa ha okwu, ị na-akpọ ya to order. Ị naghị agwa ya stop, then mpụtazie ekwu okwu ịkpọba m stop. Who are you? Am I working for your mother? Ana m alụlụ nne gị ọlụ? Kedu onye ebe pụta isi mụ dat na mụmụ menka? Ihe anyị ọkụ nọ na-afịa, ihe niile Simon Ekpa na-apụta kpụrụ ndị DOS n'ọnụ. O nwebeghị any of these people kpọrọ ya sị stop ihe na-eme na ọ bụrụ ihe anyị chọrọ for now. Ihe a na-achọ bụ solution how to release Maazị, not DOS. Ihe a na-achọ bụ solution on how to release onye ndu, ọ bụrụ DOS. And some of you have to follow him. Then tomorrow Maazị Nnamdi Kanu pụta kịta anụnwa, ọ dabazie aja ọ ghọzie ọgụ, ọ tọnụzie to fight. No, it's not going to happen. Enough is enough. I cannot sit not under my watch. Come on, Simon Ekpa pụta na anyụ nsị n'ọnụ. Who is Simon Ekpa ịkpali ndị DOS? Onye nyeri ọnụ ya kwuo. Ọ batara struggle when? How old is he in this struggle? Kedu ihe ọma about IPOB? Kedu ka ọma about DOS? Ọ maka na-eji Maazị eji we feel that no Omega arrive. Hello, good evening, Maazị. Share this video, please. Share this video.
My dear, that is just the now. Those are their teachers.
Imagine Simon Ekpa pụta kpụrụ DOS n'ọnụ. They will not call him to order. Then ịpụtazie size that ihe ọ na-eme adịrọ mma, ha kpọba gị na phone.
Yeah, that is just for my ESS agent.
Okay, ime onye ọrụ.
Well, I don't know. That is whom they are. Listen, let me tell you what they have done. They have shared the foreign SIM cards to some people. Some of them are in Ghana. Some are scattered all over. Some are in Europe. Some are in America. Some they're all over the whole place. So what they is that you now, the line has gone. It's obvious now to Biafra that Simon Ekpa, Lady of Favor, Madam Oyibo,
yes,
all these people that expel from IPOB, and they are the ones that sold Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya.
Exactly.
They are working with They are working with the Nigerian government. The Nigerian government spend money, pump money, millions to them.
Yes.
To do this attack.
Exactly.
IPOB.
Imagine. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video.
They are good friends of Simon Ekpa. They are saying William Adamu, they are front. They have their policy agenda. They are saying we will come and pronounce something. You see Simon Ekpa, we will come. Even if when all the things is made of people are said, have you seen Simon Ekpa come to condemn them? No.
Imagine.
No, some of you, some of our people, that we are a bit confused when we've been crying about these people months ago. I can understand some of you that are maybe new in IPOB. You try to avoid not to say something you are not sure of.
Hello? Network.
These are their fear now is for our leader to be released. So what they are doing is to mount pressure day in, day out on DOS, on the leadership, on whatever, this and that. And they are still shouting, our leader must come out. He must come out. This is their game. So what we have done, DOS have done, so beautiful, is they have dismantled those criminals. They have been sending money in Biafra land. So when they're coming that time, they will come and say, oh, it's ESN under Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, to bring the crime and say, oh, it's our own ESN that have done those things.
Mazi, I want to ask you now, did you know that Nanda Afam will go another ESN to boycott Mazin Nnamdi Kanu's ESN? You will idea?
Listen. What they did, you see, the ESN formed is the one, Chinasa Awori, the real ESN operatives, they dismantled them. Those are the names that are being called. What Simon Ekpa is afraid, we know that he's gone forever and ever. Nelly Ofebu knows that she's gone. Madam Oyibo, all of them, they just say, all these people that we expect from IQB, they know that they are gone and gone forever, because we have even the voice evidence of those people they've been sending that are already as special operatives in order to do what? For them to cause trouble.
Mazi, I want to ask you this question now. Actually, you this question. Kedebe this whole thing si wee malite, as in onye malitelo katakata niile na social media, not in IPOB. Kede onye malitere ihe a niile na social media, ka ebe ihe a niile na-esi today si wee bido sibe. Kedebe ọwụ? Can you tell me?
He came from Nelly Ofebu and Simon Ekpa.
Thank you very much.
Listen, because listen, let me explain one or two things, because then Marvel 5 minutes, please. Okay. And your viewers, maybe they will learn something. What they have done is that they are the ones, Madam Oyibo knows, she's the one who rented the place our leader was staying in Kenya. Madam Oyibo was having constant telephone conversation with our leader day out in Kenya. They're sending money in Kenya. Most of the DOS people, they might come up in the money, even Kanonta. His brother will, oh, how are you? He said, fine. Then Kanonta will continue his life. DOS members will continue their life. But Madam Oyibo was the one, every minute, every second, calling our leader. Now, when our leader was kidnapped, Madam Oyibo was the one who arranged it and gave information about the movement of our leader in Kenya. He was kidnapped. Their intention was for our leader to be killed in Kenya. God so kind, within that 8 days, our leader was held. Because Biafrans were, some will tell you, oh, if DOS are working, why did they not know that our leader was kidnapped and held for 8 days? How will they know when they don't know what was happening in Kenya? Only Madam Oyibo, Nelly Ofebu, Simon Ekpa, they are the ones who knew. 5 days later, within that 8 days, Nelly Ofebu, all of you had that voice note. Nelly Ofebu called the Chinasa Awori to tell Chinasa Awori that, oh, Elohim, that now DOS should be destroyed, ended, throw away command and control. And then they will return to ESN command. Then Simon Ekpa will come and become the new leader. Chinasa Awori will help this one. Chinasa Awori busted her and said, who are you? Just get out of here. She ran to Simon Ekpa and continued. The next thing they did was what? Because all this while, nobody attacked DOS. Nobody accused anybody.
Yes.
Nelly Ofebu came to the Simon Ekpa platform one night and was attacking people, saying, oh, DOS, Barisi Jofo, Caroline, Kanonta, Nenayaya. She was ranting, crying that those are the people that sold our leader.
Exactly.
Now, Biafrans, because everybody was confused, everybody didn't even know what was going on. Biafrans, some people that didn't understand whatever, because of the emotional whatever, took it up and started attacking DOS. Now, what DOS did so wisely was DOS took time to know what has been going on the ground. They found out, okay, these are the people. Now, that was brought into Nigeria because they didn't know some of these people. Some of them thought our leader would have been killed in Kenya. So when our leader appeared in Nigeria, they become so intense. They moved to a different strategy. Now, they are going to be doing something that will make Nigerian government to hold our leader there longer. So what did they do? They started all these accusations, started attacking DOS. started attacking everything DOS says is wrong. If DOS gives sit at home ordered by our leader, they say no. Now Simon Ekpa, as at this time our leader was a bit, he is not really sure whether Simon Ekpa is among them. What our leader did so wisely, if you understand our leader and how he reasons, he sent out information. The first message that came out from DSS was Simon Ekpa take a slot to broadcast on Radio Biafra, just taking a slot. Simon Ekpa ran to social media and said our leader told him to take over Radio Biafra. But he did not know. You understand me? Our leader was a test. People don't know. Even some members of DOF might not even understand it. But when our leader comes, they ask him privately, why did you send out that false information for Simon Ekpa to take a slot on Radio Biafra? Does it mean there were no people broadcasting on Radio Biafra? No. If you know our leader and his mindset and how he operates, he used Simon Ekpa. What did Simon Ekpa do? He said woefully he could not sign code of conduct, ordinary code of conduct, because he doesn't want to attach himself to anything IPOB. Number one, he's not a member in Finland. He's not paying, he's not supporting nothing. Now, they confirmed it and sent back the information to our leader. The next is Simon Ekpa came, our leader will give him, topics to broadcast on his own platform. That one ended, nothing happened. Now, they continue this attack. The problem now they are facing, you see, Simon Ekpa, Nelly Osebu, we Biafrans, even we have won the case. We are begging DOS to give us every detail of their addresses wherever they live in the whole of diaspora. We are using legal actions to come after them for using the name of DSS.
Mazi, hold on. Buju Andrews says, now Simon Ekpa never said that, Mr. Man. Stop your lying. What did you mean by that? Gene ka Simon Ekpa ekwuhu. Buju Andrews, kedu ihe Simon Ekpa na ekwuro? You are supporting Simon Ekpa, right? I will block you. I'm going to block you from this page. Don't provoke me. Because Mazigani.
Please, I want to bring the understanding and the brain of our people. True Biafrans that love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that cannot compromise anything. True IPOB members. In any platform of our people that you see anybody who come to write anything, why are you attacking Simon Ekpa? Focus. To say something in favor of any of them. That person is part of them. Cut that person, just block that person. Block that person and move on. That's how you start weeding them down. These people you see are from pit of hell. Simon Ekpa knows. He knows. And he knows. If he can come and now and rant this evening, somebody said he came out and was ranting like a dog, a mad dog. Now, all this ranting now, he will be trying to aware of his case, trying to panic because he's saying that, the same preaching our leader is preaching, and now he wants to be crucified. So our leader, Nigerian government, it means that they will prosecute him because he's doing the same thing our leader is doing. No, Simon Ekpa, you are not doing the same thing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was never used any organization's name that he does not belong to scam people to collect money from them.
Mazi, Ngwaziena, let me ask you. When these people came up with name changing, can you hear that thing signified? Can you tell me what is that thing signifying?
Listen, this is a script already. They have written this script already because their intention was, and even our leader, they have destroyer GOS, destroyer IPOB. They will come with this into kingdom. It will become their new destiny because they will tell you, IPOB has been destroyed. It's now we do. So they will present this in this Simon Ekpa to be their leader.
Just look at.
That is how they have been playing this.
Just look at.
So,
Mazi, just look at these people. Yeah. Look at these people, Mazi. Ndị echede echiche ugboro na-abụ. Ha echede echiche ugboro na-abụ that na kedu ihe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ga-ekwu ma ọ bụrụ na ọ pụta. atọ na achọrọ ichenji Biafra to idu ọ Nelly Ofegbu na Simon Ekpa ga-echenji ọ kịta ka a ga-eji echenji or as in is it now ihe ọ bụ the main thing okay echenji ha na this name na release ya Maazị Nnamdi Kanu what look at them ịma ihe ndị a na-eme Maazị ịma ihe ndị a chọrọ ha eburugo ụzọ na-atụ akpa ọgụ na ha eburugo ụzọ kịta na confuse our people na destroy this struggle and their plan bụ na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu can never come out because they will keep provoking in the zoo ha na-provoke ha ejidesi onye ndu anyị na-eme n'elu ha na-aghasasị anyị na-eme na ha na-abọsasị as in ha chọrọ ọ ga-abụ
calm down please calm down don't take the tone and they are nobody
Idu and DOE just look at
all of them they are dumb and can calm down please so some of you that are on media you should understand that IPOB under Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is indestructible.
Imagine.
Anybody that has tried in the past, group of people with the money or with whatever, we will always crush them and continue. So Simon Ekpa, Nelly Ofegbu, all these holes. That's why we are waiting for DOS to gather the whole information we need. People like us, them. We are going to use Lego means they are living in Western world. You cannot be expelled from IPOB. You are using still the name of the same IPOB, the name of ESN, and red funds. When you are warned not to do that. And after raising that fund, you put the money, ESN money, you put it in your pocket, you share it among yourself, and you keep coming out day in, day out, defrauding our people. Now you want to take the fraud to our leader's wife that you want to contribute £30 for $30 for our leader's wife. Who sent them?
Just look at which leader. Maazị, which leader are they talking about? Which leader are they talking about?
Listen. It's called reverse psychology. I tell you, it's Trojan horse. They will come, they are speaking the same thing you are speaking. They will even cry more than you. They will even shout Maazị Nnamdi Kanu more than you. And you think these people are genuine. They are not. They are doing the bidding of Fulani Janjaweed. These are the people that paid them to do this job. So for Simon Ekpa, he is citing to nail. Now he must have that video. People like us, we have made to DOS. We need their information. That's all. The evidence against them is overwhelming for them to go to jail. And every money they took from our people, Biafrans, in the name of ESN fundraising, they are going to pay it with the last penny they took from our people, no matter wherever they live on earth. So that is the area you people should be hammering. Don't go to the area of they want to scatter what? Scatter IPOB or what? Or scatter DOS or what? No! They are, so if you people are hitting them, keep hammering them that we are coming after them. We are coming after Simon Ekpa. We are coming after them, your faith, Madam Oyibo. All of them, wherever they are on earth. Because our happiness is that this crime, they committed it in the Western world. IPOB is legally registered. You dare not use the name of IPOB organization that you don't belong to go and raise money when you are warned not to do that. If you expect from an organization, you don't use the name of that organization to raise funds again. But these are crimes they committed. It's open. That's what Simon Ekpa, he knows. He knows that he's going down. So he can rank from now till eternity. He knows lawsuits are coming and they will never escape it. They will never escape prosecution because they will be asked, are you a member of this organization? You say yes, then bring the proof. He cannot provide the proof. Nelly Ofegbu that we expelled, there is a letter from DOS that for their expulsion, they will ask them, you will expel so this. You people went and did fundraising with the name of the same organization, so this. So who authorized you?
Just look at.
Now they cannot provide that authority letter. They think it's Biafran freedom or IPOB is something they can come, sabotage, manipulate, steal from our people, and go free. Men and women have died, and we will come after them without mercy.
Thank you.
I say without mercy.
Thank you
So
very
you
much.
people don't go the area of shouting as if they are doing damage. We have already locked the door against them, and they will never escape until all of them cease, because they are tempted to kill our leader, and our leader is suffering now because they sold him. So now it's for them, for us to get rid of them completely, without mercy. So please continue what you are doing, and don't get bothered. Don't even read all this comment. Tell your media person to be blocking any of them that come to disturb you.
Thank you very much.
Continue what you are doing.
Thank you very much, Mazi. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. My people, na fuge na. Oko na fuge. Look at the person most of you are following. Look at ndị onu na-eso. Nelly Ofebu na Simon Ekwa doesn't hechedu hechichu ugboro na abụ. Gịnị ka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ga-ekwu ma ọ bụrụ na ọ pụta? For that na ha change the name Biafra to Idu Kingdom. Change DOS to DOE. Ụdị ndị kpara ụdị agwa, onye kpara ụdị agwa mere ụdị ha. Ọ dịghị ka ọ chọrọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ndụ. Kedu the meaning of that name ha created? Or he created that DOE, created Idu. Onye ma ga-azọpụta Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Look at the kind of heart people who dey follow. Every day someone ekwa abia Donalana na-eme ndị DOS analyze na akọtọ ha. You will not tell him that no na gossip. Mana ị ga-abịa na my page si na Nwada Achalugo na gossip. Chukwu ga-akpọ gị ọkụ very soon. Hello, good afternoon. Who am I speaking with?
Good evening, Nwada Biafra.
Good evening.
Ada Achalugo keke mere.
Udod.
Iwe gị dọkụ megịnị dajụọ. Ka happy about speed too much. Otu ịhọrọ m ihe m kwuru na gịnị eziokwu maka na ihe nji bata ihe gbasara Biafra na-ekwu okwu ya wụ maka onye ndu ihe ọ kụziri anyị ihe o mere ka anyị mata ma ọgụgụrụ na anyị chọọ ya o mechara gwa anyị ọgụgụrụ na anyị chọọ ya ma ahụ ya na-ekwe ha kwesịrị ime na-ekwe ka ha si kwesịrị ime obi na-agba m njọ anya mmiri na-agba m n'anya mgbawụla ma na-echeta ihe na-eme kamgbe ndị zuu mere dịka na ha mere gịnị na ha ejidego anyị mana ọnụ ihe nna anyị our leader Ọhamadike Mezaya nke m nwa mara Nnamdi Kanu n'ọhịa ọkụzigo chọgara anyị.
Maazị gaa straight to the point. Maazị biko gaa straight to the point. Kedu ihe ị nwere ikwu concerning this thing? Simon Ekwa na-eme.
Anyị wepụta na-abịa na-eme gịnị na-agba onwe anyị mgba.
Ọ bụghị anyị wee pụta. Ọ bụghị anyị wee pụta. What did you have to say concerning this mkpọli Simon Ekwa na-akpọli ndị DOS? Kedu ihe ị nwere ikwu about it?
Simon Ekpa mwa support go Simon Ekpa.
Okay, have you called him? Have you called Simon Ekpa to order? Ịkpọgo Simon Ekpa dụọ ya ọdụ anyị na-adụ na. Ị na-asị anyị wee pụta. Ịkpọgo Simon Ekpa dụọ ya ọdụ. I want to hear yes or no.
Mmadụ abụọ ga na-agbara at the same time. Mmadụ abụọ ga na-awịara at the same time. Ịghọtala? Anyị o nwere ụmụaka, o nwere ndị ọzọ nwoke DOS ọdụ Simon Ekpa wee wụ na Biafra mele gị na bịala. Anyị nwawo ụmụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọ kụzigoro ihe. O nwere ndị mụtara ihe n'aka ya. DOS feliri anyị. Simon Ekpa mekwe gịnị?
Ke ka DOS si wee felu ugwu? Ke ka ha si felu ogu?
Listen. Icheta mgbe anyị na-abazi obi awali bakadno. Anyị na-abazi obi eme gịnị? Eme ala.
Hello. Hello, Mazi. Good evening. Hello. I'm fine.
Upset you a bit, huh? I got you upset a little bit. But check this out, though. and I'm a support of Simon. I'm make it clear. You understand what I'm saying? Me personally, I stand for the truth. You know, and what I don't understand in these people called DOS or DOE or whatever you guys might call them. You know, why are you guys fighting each other in this struggle, man? You know, this is not what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu established. Why out here with us? I am very disappointed of the whole people, man. You know, DOS, DOE, Simon Ekpa, especially that stupid lady, Gaddafi, and created
Nelly Ofebu. Nelly Ofebu.
That lady, she's here in the United States just like myself. She's a very stupid lady. I don't know who's advising her. But all I'm saying is this. Let's stop attacking each other. You understand? And Simon Ekpa, like him or not, that guy speaks voice to power. You understand what I'm saying? You know, the DOE or DOS should stop attacking him. Let us focus on the main game. You understand what I'm saying? Let's focus on, let everybody do what they got to do on their, even our leader said it in years and years in many of his broadcasts. But when you open again with Biafra, it doesn't matter how you get it. So fighting each other, just imagine the Fulanis out there smiling, say, look at them. These are the idiots that are trying to fight for a country. They are attacking each other. They haven't even gotten
Mazi, please, let me ask you this question. Have you ever called Simon Ekpa, stop or na DOS have a problem? Have you called him?
Absolutely. I've called his show. Check. If I that na if mara karema. So even Gwalia with that, even yourself threatening to block me. So you see, I'm not a friend of nobody, man. I fight for myself. The only person I follow in this struggle is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And I'm not speaking it, you know, because it was the spirit that led me to him. Nobody. You understand what I'm saying? I think I have been in this struggle enough, you know, to be able to voice my opinion regarding what is going on right now. I think we should find a way to desist from attacking each other, man, and focus on the struggle.
Thank you very much.
Thank you anyway.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Una fugo. Genu ntị ka ngwa m unu. For those of you now see, stop attacking Simon Ekpa. Nobody is attacking Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa ji aka na attack onwe. Simon Ekpa ji aka na-eme onwe ya attack. During the time ọ na-apụta mee expose ya na kpuo onwere onye na-akpọ ya afa. But to see o bido as in chakela anya chadoro n'ebe ndị DOS no, that was when his downfall started. Keke ị ga-esi pụta na-akpọ onwe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu disciple, ichefuzie na DOS bụ disciple Maazị also. Ị na-asị na ịbụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu's disciple, jide the structure, the leadership, that same ogago, that same your leader hapụrụ behind before a kidnap ya, ijide na-destroy. Ịpụta everyday uru DOS n'ọnụ. Or DOS put the expose Simon Ekpa na-emezi na. DOS put the expose Simon Ekpa na-eme. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mazi.
Dalu. Afamwo Ajuluchukwu Ejike Chisom.
Okay.
Our people that don't know their left and right. Simon Ekpa name. Simon Ekpa is the one attacking DOS. DOS will issue order. Simon Ekpa will come to encounter the order of DOS. I don't know if people are reason enough. Simon Ekpa will come to attack DOS that give order. Well, Simon Ekpa is not a member of IPOB. I want to let these people to know what they are saying. Household enemy is more dangerous than Fulani. Your brother that is attacking you is more dangerous than Fulani, because that your brother that attacking you is the one showing Fulani your compound. He's the one know your name. He's the one know everything about you. So that your brother is more dangerous than the Fulani. So this man that are coming to speak rubbish English for us think that to speak, will have anything to put in this our struggle. Are you sense enough? If you assess enough, you will know that household enemy is the worst and the most dangerous enemy. And this DOS has never called Samuel for one day. So I don't see reason why you people will come. We say that this is not what somebody asked Nnamdi Kanu a question in USA. He asked him why your people attacking people. He laughed. He said that is what he teach them. If you allow Simon Ekpa and his cohorts, they will destroy IPOB.
I'm telling you.
And this structure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left for us is important. And what they are trying to do, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out, he will not see this structure again.
I'm telling you.
Every suffer that he has suffered for years will be wasted. That's why people like you, Ajalugo is here. That's why people like me is here. That's why people like Efe is there. They are the one fighting any household enemy. And the DOS are the people doing the diplomatic work. And our legal team are the people doing the legal work. I don't know if they I know Uchu will actually go free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody? The answer is no. Mbochewe agitation never actually go no. She will come out and do the agitation. Or be a protest ya. Anything we protest or Potabia protest ya. Anything we protest no Potabia protest ya. Then they made the legal work na here. Then they made the diplomatic work. Are doing the diplomatic work underground. Do you want your own and DOS to online?
Imagine.
Stop it. Stop here. Because the more the more the enemy.
Every day, this man Akurain on. Every day. That same your leader, Sigu broadcast man on Radio Biafra. He follow the procedure. You want to see God, but you don't want to die. Okay, maybe you are expose, you are doing a wonderful job. Continue with your expose. He said expose, not DOS guzi your expose. For what? And so many people are supporting him. Makagene. That DOS, you want to expose the lies of DOS. For who are you to say that Nande DOS that they are liars? Who the heck are you, Simon Ekpa? Who are you working for?
Okay. Ajalugo, do you know that our leader 2015, 2016, 2017 on Kuje prison yard.
Imagine.
Prison yard. I'm paying people house rent. It was in Kuje prison yard. Succeeding for people, but one them mad lawyer and they flying and after now lawyer.
Mazi, wait now. Let me ask these people question. Did you think that now this same Simon Ekpa most of you are defending today? Each and a Simon Ekpa gaba name for any of you. The same way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si atafu today. How many times did you go to Mazi? We have Mazi lose go na this hotel. Did you think that na Simon Ekpa mwelike ibanime a minute because of Biafra struggle? Oputakita ona asi no cha sibute, sibute. Kedu ihe Simon no contribute to go na this struggle? How old ko on na this struggle? Oji we mad that na DOS anaghị emete ofuma. During the time of Uche Okafor me from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa join go this struggle. Ipute bi na-eme mkpọtụ. Every day put on social media na akpụ DOS no. What did you know? Ahapogo kedu ihe ga-eme about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Simon Ekpa, I'm asking you. Can you be able to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What is your problem? Every day put the DOS no. DOS we meloga ala. DOS we gworogo ogwu. You want to kwala onwe ugwu is that need to learn it. Yet you are not behaving like one. Mazi na aga n'ilu.
So our leader on a prison yard, let's settle people case. Not on a prison. Let's settle what case in there on a prison. I don't see why Nelly Ofebu and the cohort and Simon Ekpa Geji National Hanachi raise the fund for our wife, our leader,
imagine.
First Lady of Biafra. He raised $30. Geji didn't feed here. a slap to Iowa.
Imagine.
Mazen Nnamdi Kanu can be in detention now solve people case. And now was that IPOB now many people who go on. Even if I call some IPOB that are our brother. I'm a kind of hasime. Opposing our own opposing the law of Afaruku Kingdom. Case they got $30 a feed here. Yeah, a slap to Iowa. That the family of our leader are evil. Here they need us Urugi. Now we do kingdom. My brothers, let me tell you people. By our own sources, he that don't have knowledge should act. Jesus also said, there is no one can go to my Father without me. There is no way you will love Mazen Nnamdi Kanu without the DOS. Jesus also said, if you love me, keep my law. If you love Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, keep the law of that structure that he kept. Gunu happy put on a new rubbish. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said, na try my hoya, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is talking. Can't you know proverb? Don't you know the meaning man? I cannot contact my father on phone. So when you are see me, I'll start doing it. Now the car will still alive.
The meaning of each mmadụ ịfụ ya n'Igbo na wa azịnaba anyị bụ ma onye ahụ nwụrụ anwụ ịchọ mmadụ ịfụ ya onye polisi ga-eji nka nọ ya onye ndị DSS onye nọ na prison ka nọ ya but ọ bụrụ na ịchọ mmadụ ịfụ ya means that na ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ nwụọ echi. That is the meaning of it in our land.
That is it.
So
yes.
That is it. Thank you very much, Maz.
Simon Ekpa has collected people money. Of course, on Biafra land today will 15th. I need to check on Biafra land that will 15th.
Thank you very much.
On Biafra land. Carry on. Only one of you go immediately.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Somebody now sacrificing ordinary platform as in Ghana na prison because of Biafra. Hello, good afternoon from here.
My sister Chalugo Chineke Goziegi.
Thank you.
Because I'm a son na especially program yenje like you boldness in a way. Mana nwere na-ewute m ọtagi ihe na-ewute m no anyị nwakpọrọ onwe anyị ndị Igbo sometimes anyị na-achịkọta onwe anyị ọnụ biko na ihe nna ayọ gị abụrụ m onye IPO mana ihe a na-akọ ọnụ ebe a na-eme otu ọ na-ewute
maazị onweghị onye na-akọ ọnụ maazị ị na-ekwu na-akọ ọnụ ọ na-ewe m iwe onweghị onye na-akọ ọnụ
a na-ekwu negoro ihe ijere daga a na-akpọ Chukwuka ji na-eme ọ dụrọ mma na
including you iso you are included maka anyị niile chọrọ nwere onwe onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo so ihe ọbụla ijele na udele na-eme today o metụrụ onye ihu metụ onye azụ so ọ bụrụ sọsọ ihe o ji
ọ na-ewute m biko ka unu mara ị nwere nkwuwa okwu ọnụ you are this thing na-ekwu point because oge o nwere oge ikwugide osi ka unu chịkọta onwe unu ọnụ ụmụ ihe a na-eme onye ekwu biko na ịmara
ha ekweghị ị na-ekwu n'elu Simon Ekwa na-ekwu n'ala ị na-eme ka ọ dị mma ọ na-aghasasị ọ na-edobe ahụ kedu onye ọ na-eche ọ bụ
ihe a na-eme na Facebook adọrọ mma eziokwu biko ọnụnụ ya aba n'ime nwee mitin si ebe onye ọ na-ebupụtazi n'onwe biko
onwe mitin a na-eme onye na-ebupụta onwe ya na-ebupụta onwe
mgbe ihe niile awụ igosi na-enemi makwara ndị iro ya na-achị ndị ihe a na-eme amụ eziokwu Chineke gozie onye ọrụ nke na-arụ ọrụ ma Chineke kpuchite gị n'aha Jizọs
amen
jisie n'ike biko nụ
hello good afternoon biko gbatuo device iji ege m
good evening side Wada Chalugo
good afternoon
Adam
Adam
Dalo biko platform nke bụ nke ya ọ bụla nke ndị autopilot.
Gịnị bụ afa gị na-ebe isi akpọ m?
Afa m bụ Tochukwu Nkwọ. Platform gị bụ nke anyị wa ọ bụla nke ndị autopilot.
Onye gbasara mụ na ndị ala nnọkọta eso ụmụ ndị na-awụ ala do I look like a mad girl? Ana m eme nrughe.
Onye ọbụla na-asị gị gụkpee udo ka hapụ ị na-ekwu okwu ya gwagodo onye a jegwugodo n'eluigwe gwa Chukwu ka a na-ekwe nsudozie esi ebe ahụ kpewe udo. Onye ọkụ na-agbabie adachi ọkụ nweghị ihe megide ka anyị hapụ ụlọ onye ndu lụrụ anyị ka o mebie bifo pụta maka na ka e wee kpee udo ka wa hapụ Simon Ịgbagbo ka a hapụ Nelly Ofegbu ka a hapụ IPO ndị si na ha bụrụ IPOB coronavirus ka a bịa bụrụ coronavirus bịa mebere IPOB anyị ama nkwe ịghọtago onye ọbụla bụ a strong IPOB n'ọbụrụ na IPOB amagoro na every time na anyị na-eme clean up osogoro ya bụ ebe uche Ọkafọ Mefọ bụ nwanne anyị na Anambra anyị na-asọpọtụ ha na o mere ihe ọjọọ we can not support anybody onye ọbụla bụ onye ọbụla bụ onye IPOB
ihe na-ekwu ka enu m ntị na enu m anya n'ọnụ na edo m anya n'ọnụ mepụ na look me ọ kwefuru achọghị m ime onye ụzụ akwa ya na-akwa onweghị anybody bụ my friend I no send you achọghị m ịma ihe ị na-represent if you are feeling too big to stay under DOS Chukwu kpọọ gị ọkụ kpọọ your generation ọkụ you go to hell I no send you get out. Kedu ebe ị nọ mgbe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mgbe ọ na-ezogharị na-ata ụfụ na Nigeria na-eseti up IPOB kedu ebe ị nọ where were you? Kedu ebe ị nọ ịpụtazi na-efeel too big nke iji bụrụ onye gịnị ka ị nwelu?
Welcome. Thank you for super chat. Subscribe. Enter Biafra, enter B. I'm
not against that, Mazi. Look, I am not against welcome, super chat, enter Biafra. I'm not against that. Name his expose, name the Nigerian government expose. I don't have problem with that. As in he's doing a wonderful job. But they put as in now DOS every day. Topic is someone who put DOS. I'm against it.
Since I want a mellow we are super church and the Yan Janina why not to play on EBY. Who's in our cause DOS is DOS as or DOS.
Who are you?
Some people
who are you to discuss DOS?
Some people don't know anything or put those bossy or not call open any why can you as well get web Biafra? Why not support to Kaina Fulani Bluff? Why not? Why support the guy? I know one Nigeria. I open as their colleagues singing
Thank you very much, Mazi. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good evening. Yeah. Na wata chọrọ ugo ịnọ nwayọ tata. Ịnọ ndị ahụ ebe na platform gị na-ekwu shit.
Ha kwukwana na
onye nke akpọrọ na phone na-asị na ọ bụ na our leaders ga bụ na achọ ya na abụ na afụrụ ya. Onye nwa kịta na isi akịta ma onye bu nwa egbe DOS nye command na onye bu nwa egbe na
ha niile ji fake account nọdụ here fake account ka ha ncha ji wee pụta fake account
onye ọbụla akpọrọ ga sinye command na DOS nye command jụọ ma ọdụgo ready na ma onye bu nwa egbe ma ọdụ ready ifesi ndị zoo ma ọdụ ready then nke ama na-akpọ na mkpọ na-asụrụ anyị fone egenekwa ha ntị na-asị gị peace ha chụọ peace ha ji egwa Simon Ekpa okwu
nya stop ịkpọ ndị DOS afa nya kpọdobe ha afa nya mere his expose biko
yes na ketu eho DOS na ya abịa na-ayọ Simon Ekpa ka eme peace ka organize
that we should do meeting. Anyị mee meeting. Emeghe meeting. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu emeghe meeting for a whole deputy ihe anụnwa. Deputy director ya. Ọ bụrụ Simon Ekpa ka DOS ga-akpọ meeting for what? Onye bụ Simon? Onye ka ọ bụ? Onye bụ Simon a ga-ejikwa meeting? Meeting onye? Maazị Nnamdi Kanu akpọ ha meeting for Uche Okafor Mefo. Ịma position Uche Okafor Mefo then. Akpọ ya meeting. Till today Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọtụpụrụ Uche Okafor Mefo ọnụ. Ọ bụrụ Simon ka a ga-ahapụ ihe a na-awọk bịa kpọba ya meeting for what? Ya continue ka Maazị pụta kpotokpoto ga-agba n'ihu efi. Ọ ga-agwa anyị onye ọ na-alụrụ ọrụ.
Ọ bụrụ nnọọ onye abụrụ memba, ọ bụrụ abụrụ memba, ọ bụrụ na DOS anaghị emetie n'ọnụ nwayọ onye isi ka nọ alive.
Ọkpọ ha private. Okay, ọ ma na ha da emetie. Asịa broadcast na Radio Biafra ọga n'enu. Surrender your platform ịga n'enu. Ọkwa onye na-asị ụnụ that na our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu disciple, ịbụ disciple Maazị. E wee sị go surrender your platform broadcast na Radio Biafra until onye ndu apụta eju. Mana ịpụtazie na ị na-etiri ha anya na ha da emete onye ka ịbụ. Who are you working for? O gosiri that na as na ị bịarụ mkposa ị bịahụ nchịkọ ịchọhụ peace. Ị na-eme that's onye ntisa ka Simon Ekpa bụ. You don't want to broadcast on Radio Biafra. Ịchakwa na ịhapụ ndị DOS aka. Who are you? Unu create go do. Create a DOE. Why are you still analyzing DOS every day? Or DOS go your problem? Gani Lumazi.
Iwe mo na ndu ba anyị onye abụrụ member ya bụ very simple common sense ka ọ bụ onye abụrụ member.
Mickey P, take this your comment. Take this your comment to Simon Ekpa, please. Don't one more comment from you, I will block you. Take this your comment to Simon Ekpa. Ono ga no leba ha na asia ride on sir. Ono ekwu ndị DOS, ono na support ya. Mana abeze na platform ọzọ, ana ekwu na ihe ọ na-eme adịrọ mma. Ịgbaghaliba. One more comment from you, I will block you and block your mother. Na aga n'ilu Maazị.
Achalugo ị ka na platform Simon na. Ọ na-ekwu okwu, nwekwa ya na-enye advice o. Advice a na-enye gị na onwe na-apịa na asị ya stop this you are doing. Why you attacking the US? Onwe ya na-enye advice mana ọ bụ na onye broadcaster na like Guma na omote onye anụ after na achọ ikwu okwu ifu ndị ha na-akpọ na-enye advice ọ gaghị afụ ndụ ezigbo mmadụ. I guess na-enye advice why you doing this? Why you destroying? We are all one. Let's come together. Mana Simon na-ebe nke anyị amakwa na anyị bụ one. Ndụ ka pụta sị na-ekwusi amara sị na anyị bụ one ka achịkọta ọnụ ka ọ kọtụ onye abụrụ memba ka ị na-achọ ka ga-ewo US bịa na ayọ biko ihe ka na-akpọ mara oke US anaghị emetie
ọ bụrụ na ịyọ biko na ka akpọ ya mitin ọbọdụ na ịyọ biko ka a na-egwugodo na ịyọ biko ma mitin na lie omecha is not possible.
Why our leader just US ozi why na anaghị ese ndị Idu Kingdom.
Okay, this ihe anụnwa this last time akpọpụtara onye ndu na court ọ da akpọpụtaghị ekwulokwu maka ya na 2nd December ha amaghị about it ha anụghị ya onye ọbụla nọ calm se n'elu mmiri mana ọ bụrụ na ekwupụtara ya ha eburu ya n'isi our leader is going to appear in court on 2nd of December nke eweri etowe ọnụ. You cannot if you ịchọghị na broadcast na Radio Biafra mana ịgbakele anya gị tinye na Radio Biafra ọ iskatacha structure Maazị Nnamdi Kanu hapụrụ udaz ka people sobezie gị. If they follow you Simon Ekpa, what did you have to offer us? Are you going to get us Biafra? Why are you destroying the structure your leader ị na-asị na ibu disciple ya kipụrụ? Who are you? Kedu onye bụ i destroy structure Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Simon Ekpa ị ga-emenwe ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-eme? Ị ga-lead IPOB to this stage ha nọ today. Then you want to become a leader. You don't want to be under DOS. Ịchọrọ ịbụ leader. Ịchọghị nwanwu but you want to see God. Ịchọrọ ifu Chukwu mana ịchọghị nwanwu. It will not going to that you cannot stay under DOS. Keep DOS off from your mouth. Hapụ ha aka. Move, face your front. Mind your platform. You refuse to as an airdrop to face Radio Biafra. Mind the other your platform. Continue to be doing your expose and leave DOS and IPOB alone. You create any do good and your Facebook. Create a DOE. What again are you looking for? Gini ozoke na acho. Gini ozoke na acho. Apụrụ ụnụ ụgwọ ka ụnụ bịa destroy ya the structure. Destroy ya IPOB. Ka as in ka o wee struggle was like today. It's not going to happen. Maazị na-aga n'iru.
Nna biko ihe nchekwa chọrọ idrop na before m pụọ onye bụ na-akpọrọ gị na fon na sị gị dat na DOS anaghị emetie ihe ajụ ahụ ka ihe chọrọ ka DOS mee na ị chọrọ ka ihe ọbụla mere ka a bịa gị public oke na ịjụ ka ọ bụ na DOS nye command na-asị ngwa agha bido na ma gụ na family gị adụ ready ọ ihe ya ajụ ha ịjụ ha ka kọntrị ajụ ha ka kọntrị na-akpọ in on ground ịdị ready ịnụ ọgụ ọ ihe ya ajụgo gị ịdị ready ịnụ ọgụ na ijụ ahụ dị ready ọsọ nọ zoo ise na machite then ndị nke ọzọ na-abịa na-akpọ gị for advice a na-akpọ gị for advice isi ha keep advice ha
look at ụmụ anụmanụ
ka US nye command ka ihe ọbụla ha chọrọ ime ka a na-ekwupụtie ka a bịa na Facebook akwupụtie ka onye ọbụla ama na achọrọ ime ihe then ebe na ha si na command ka ha chọrọ jụọ ha ma ha family ha dị ready ịnụ ọgụ na-enye ha egbe na ha dị ready ndị chọọchị. Thank you, Nwada Charugo.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Look at ndị eriri unu na-esogharị chado na-esogharị empty people na-emegharị mkpọtụ up and down. DOS have failed. They have ngwa pụtagwa anyị ha ga-eme ka ọ dị mma esiba sit at home. Sit at home ọ ndị gị wepụtaburu sit at home before ka ọ gwa bụrụ ndị DOS hapụ okwu sit at home at the first time. Ndị copy. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good evening from you. My sister, how you doing?
I'm fine. Gịnị ebe afa gị na ebe isi akpọ?
I'm from USA. See, all this one, these people they call, they speak all this American. Look at them.
Na-ekwusi ka ya da nchi ihe na-ekwu.
Huh? They don't stay like almost 20-something years, 30 years, no money, nothing. The frustration. All of them, they work with this daily, they make small takery on the side. So don't be intimidated with that stupid American. You see, now someone else don't know who you be, my sister. It is you play game mind. I don't watch one time, I talk say, course from DOS, and then he talked again. I said, oh, you go watch Ashalu. He was trying to use that thing against you, but he don't know who you are. I don't say you be really a Ogbunge woman. So I really thank you. I thank you well. Anybody who will call you say, make we stop attacking someone. Someone is an individual. DOS is an institution. There's no room in here. An institution will go beg an individual. Who be someone else? But I don't even understand. So all these people they call from America, they make all this noise. They don't get anything for pocket. American appeal food them. You pay water bill, pay car notes, pay this one, shish, they don't get. So every opportunity will come, you'll see that they jump up and down like football, they make money out of people's blood. So all this noise will make anybody will want to talk to someone else. But someone else can start it, go face the only you do. Face all you do, face whatever, just leave us alone, make we do what you do. You cannot say you love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and you're fighting the only institution that will bring that man out of prison. You don't make no sense.
Thank you very
much.
They
fight and they use money, but the only problem with it gets now that to use this year money to raise use this year name to raise money. Especially this was where the America when they speak all this friend. I would personally take some of them to court on my own without even anybody getting involved because that's the place where law they work. So all this way they jump like football, they are going to come down by the time we start dealing with them one by one. They must commit all that money when they collect. May God bless you, my sister.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. So that is it. Because share this video. Share the video. Share the video. We cannot watch any idiot or any bagger. DOS no, you are nobody. Anybody with any rights. DOS no see that na ha melon card they have failed, they are compromised. Ngwapota ko ihe a ga-eme ka follow be ijechi yabakwa na sit at home on nego wepụtaburu before on nago wepụtaburu sit at home before bring out your own ihe anụnwa your own plan and leave sit at home alone. Hello. Good afternoon from here.
Good evening. My name is Wanda Obi. I'm calling from the Netherlands.
Okay.
I said I should just contribute a bit on your program today. It's my first time of calling your platform.
Okay.
First and foremost, I want to tell you that you are doing a very great job, my sister. These people, Simon Ekpa and Co., they came to destroy. He is paid. These are paid agents.
Okay.
We saw it very long time ago. These are paid agents. But you can see it. You can see it written all over him. You can see his body language. You can see everything. You can see that he's a paid agent. He's a paid agent.
Exactly.
But one thing that they will be rest assured that they have failed woefully.
Exactly.
Did you hear that he changed his name to Simon today?
I know that one. No one here money. When time ebe
You don't know what it means. It means ESN.
Hey, cheer for
After I will impress you. He's listening today.
Okay.
Because the DOS Google that now they are going to take up anybody using ESN name to respond. Simon Ekpa today has Njoko on his name. Ekpa Simon Njoko. Now, do you know my name is also Ekpa Simon Njoko, meaning ESN?
Okay, if you are. Okay, now.
He changed his name to ESN. So even if he wants to use ESN name to raise money, now only present to that is what he was trying to insinuate.
Okay. So what do? Oh, you raise the money more than half for.
So my sister, don't be asking. These people are paid agents.
It's obvious. It's obvious.
Paid agents are the boyfriend. They know what happened to our leader.
They know.
What happened to our leader.
Because if the boldness in them had you were protect to the extent that Naneli of Ebu forgery Idu Kingdom, Season or DOE.
Yes.
Kifunanda go far. They have gone too far to turn back. Haga go far.
Yes, my sister. They were hired after Ekocherekwere here. That was when they were hired. After the beating of Ekweremadu in 2019, that was when they were all hired. You understand? The agent provocateur. Agent provocateur, they come in your midst. They are not among you, but they pretend that they are among you. You understand? That is exactly Habagime. That is exactly they were hired. You heard when he said, if we are not ready to be tagged, can you imagine? If we are not ready to be tagged terrorists, we should step aside. Do you know what that means? If they tag IPOB terrorists in the Western world, do you know that our struggle will die a natural death? Or at least it will slow down. It will slow massively down. These are agent provocateurs. These are paid agents. They are working for Nigerian politicians. Take this my word today to the bank. They are working for Nigerian politicians, all of them. Do you know that in Ghana, Madam Oyibo, not I am speaking with America. Nobody knows her. She doesn't show her. Even our leader doesn't know her. Our leader have not seen her face to face before. She doesn't show her face in any place. She doesn't show her behind all this thing, Madam Oyibo. She's the one even controlling the That money was from politicians.
Okay.
That money was from politicians. That money, politicians in that money. Do you know who money that woman? Nobody. I speak with people in America. Now, Maryland, they are happy. Nobody knows her. Nobody. I was asking a brother in America, but are you sure we are still going to get our money in her position? Also, how do we get the money when even you are in Maryland, she don't know who the woman is?
the criminals ụmụ akwụna highway amam ihe onye ndu mekata wee ma associate with this kind of people. Look at apụta ekwiche ndị agadi ekwe nka na-anọrọ na di pụta we are ụmụada highway ụmụada ndị na-abụ abalị ha pụọ kwụrụ na highway na-achọ amụ nwoke ụmụada na-ala di ụmụada na-efe nwoke aka n'isi n'ala Igbo nwaanyị onwe right ife nwoke aka n'isi but ụdịsị ụmụada anụnwa na-apụta bụ ndị na-efe nwoke aka n'isi ijuzie na agaghị efe gị aka n'isi ha ebugharịba. Look at ụmụada na-anọ ha na di. Ọ ga-egbu elu ọgwụgwụ na anwụ.
Ọ ga-egbu Chinasa Nworu 5 days. Imana after 1 month egboro onye ndu adopt, I can't eat. 5 days egboro onye ndu adopt. This woman agbaligo already. Ọ Chinasa Nworu ka echenje na enweghị m agwa gị na Biafra say reject to go DOS. Ka echenje ka ọ hapụzi so command and control. Ka o soro ka o chenje DOS to ESN command. So Simon Ekparoko, this thing has been planned. So 2 years.
O tego ha plan wala ihe a. Onya melu neli ofe egwu ji wee pikogido button ya wee pije Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na Kenya wee si ebe ahụ wee mee ha plans execute. Pụtazie kịta na confess MC na Judas Iscariot Carolina, she is a devil herself. Mbụ agadi nwaanyị gbagoro na aja white n'ikpue. Mbụ agadi ekwe nka.
What was it blackmail? They have come with all kind of blackmail. After when that one didn't work, when Chinasa Nworu said, what do you mean? Also that one didn't work. Now she started blackmailing that DOS are being paid.
She's taking over from DOS.
A bottomless pit. A lie from the bottomless pit. But let's even assume, let's even assume that the DOS were being paid. Who was paying them? So why are you pressing it now? Why are you pressing it now? She came with all kinds of blackmail.
Negodu Nelly of Ebu take over from DOS. Akwụna. Gịnị ka Nelly of Ebu ma? How many years dị ha na struggle? O ji wee pụtasị na take over. Ịmana ha che na DOS bụ just Chinasa Nworu and Maazị Chike Doziem and the few.
They don't know now. They don't know.
Ha
Nnamdi Kanu came to Radio Biafra and boasted that it will take you 1,000 years to destroy it. They thought no would just a common structure. That is what they were thinking.
Imagine.
That is what they were thinking.
Nelly of Ebu che na Biafra struggle very.
If the latest one, my sister, now how you gonna ESN is no more bringing money. They not challenge this thing to our
Imagine.
A very humble Igbo who she's how many years now that this struggle.
Our Lord ewelugo ọnya kwuo na onweghị mgbe o ji gwa these people na need ego. O kwugo ya n'ọnụ ya na onweghị mgbe ha na ha kpalụ na that we should ignore them. You can imagine our leader's wife adịkwu in support of them. Ifụrụ na ndị a tiri eti, ifụrụ na ndị a sere n'elu mmiri.
These people are agents. These people are agents. These people are agents.
Ebele some people
they are evil. That they are evil. No family person na the kind of Biafra baby. Ki na chikura asusu ni no na the law of Abakufu. Put the law of Abakufu. What's in the kind in 2015? Even when I have never gotten to this stage. In 2015, what's in the kind was in prison, paying lawyers. Only in prison can what's in the kind no about 20 million naira. Was he not in prison?
Imagine. Just look at.
If you marry a whole life POP, the biggest mass movement of this our time. If you want our law, say the law lies again, I'm
ndị oshi nọọsụ ụmụ ohi ha bata na IPOB ibu izu oshi. Look at them. Ụmụ anụmanụ. Look at Nelly Ofegbu anụgo 5 husbands nwee nke ya na ya nọ nwụrụ. Ọ onye na-enwetara ụnụ Biafra, onye na-echenjiri ụnụ Biafra to Idu Kingdom, onye na-esetiri ụnụ DOE, onye nugoro na D5. Ọ bụgodo na ọgba nje nke bụ nke ike iwe nugudo dị nụọ 1 2 3 4 5 nke 5 ahụ go na ya nọkwu. Ọ onye na-abịa inwetara ụnụ Biafra. Ọnya look at.
Let me bust your bubble before I go. Let me bust your bubble. When Simon Ekpa started in 2019, I was among those who built his platform. I even had problem with my husband. My husband said, you don't have to judge people. Because my husband will have seen a lot in this years, I know, but you don't have to judge people with what other people did. You understand? Let us give him a benefit of that. As from 925 for okay, Simon Ekpa he's not using the Afghan flag and he's talking about Biafra. As from 925 see, leave him. Let's give him one name. That is today. My husband laughs at me. See, you will never learn. I told you about this guy. This guy put on a platform. He knows the date Biafra will come. Simon Ekpa put us in the kind of words. Today, 1 month. Simon also in 3 weeks time. Kind of words. All of you in IPOB, all of you will start going to meeting. You will be so ashamed. Kind of words. Man, who is this fool? How do you hear for 9 years, for 10 years? We didn't have any kind of form to open. Our leaders said we are whiter than snow. What kind of form do you have to open in IPOB? Every door of the market. Simon Ekpa say he's a lawyer. Simon Ekpa is not a lawyer.
Really? Onye na-abịa eme ndị DOS analyze everyday Simon Ekpa na broadcast ọkpụrụ ndị DOS n'ọnụ. DOS bụzi the expose ọ na-eme ya bụ the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu disciple nke disciple ịbọsasị other disciple. Ọsọsọ ya bụ disciple Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. All of us are Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. DOS bụ disciple Maazị.
Simon Ekpa film on ga-ekiri ya. Why don't you get change ahụ ya to ESN today because someone that I ga-agbanyere ya film very soon.
And film ahụ ọ ga-enene ọ bụrụ na o keep ha afa DOS n'ọnụ ya anyị ga-agbanyere ya that film and ọ ga-watch ya. Ọ ga-enene that film. Ọ ga-enene. Nne, thank you very much.
Provide it. I ga-agbanyere ha film. That is why he wants to add a job to his name today. In case I won't copy a court, I have this thing, you know. In case I copy a court, I have ESN. I will send it again. I will send it to you after this thing.
Okay. Mr. Guadro, thank you very much. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon from you.
Yeah, good evening. I'm calling from France. My name is Chijoko Binna.
Okay.
Please, what I want to chip in between what is going in your platform, I really appreciate what you have been doing. But I want to chip something. The person can pick points for what I'm trying to say. You understand? So these things we are saying, people are talking about, sometimes we could have waited. Our leader is coming. Then, by his grace of God, when he come out, he will let us know the people that betray him. Because according to what Barrister Ejimofo, Ifeanyi Ejiofor said, he said that he was confused by people his really followers betray him. Then my question there is that, is it Simon is the full followers that betray him?
Ihe na-eme ndebe anyị Maazị gee ntị ihe na-eme ndebe anyị love asịrị more than every other thing. Okay, na ihe edelu nwanne nya aha ka ebugharịwago izi Simon Ekpa ka DOS biture maazị edelu maazị kwuru ihe o kwuru unu hapụzie ịgbado ọkpa n'ihe Simon Ekpa ji eme ndị DOS attack wee kpụrụzie ihe maazị kwuru were na-efesa were na-agosip. Kedu what does this is this Simon that biture maazị ka DOS, what does it have to do with this program na-eme now?
Okay, but listen, what I'm trying to, because people that
what does that thing now have to do with this program? Zami as in gini ko onwere to do with this my program today.
No, listen, why I said my question, all those people that call it, please, if you have a way to ignore all those issues of Simon and those and focus what you are doing before. Focus,
so gini can focus. Caller, have you ever called Simon Ekpa to leave DOS alone and focus on his expose? Have you done that before?
I have write a lot of
you have then you don't need to call me. You're supposed to be writing to me, not call me. Don't call me. Continue write. That same way you are writing to Simon, that same way you should be writing to me too. So don't call me. Thank you. You cannot call Simon Ekpa, but you will call Wada Chalugo to tell me to focus and leave the whole thing and focus. Focus where? Can there be a focus? In a focus, maybe. In a focus, in a sin focus. Go and say that to Simon Ekpa. Tell him to focus and leave DOS alone. DOS have a problem here. As anya broadcast on a radio Biafra or Wakute, onye wala kabakute or lahanana. If you don't know, you know it now. Every day, Simon Ekpa unde DOS no for what? Onye bu Simon. Can write Simon Ekpa mweru in a unde DOS no every day. Then he put Simon that he should focus. If he want to focus, chuku po okudie. Share around video. Share the video. Share the video. You should be, if you are writing, if you have been writing to Simon Ekpa, continue writing to him, and as well me self continue writing to me. You don't need to call me to tell me anything or to advise me. Write to me too. If I respond, fine. You may respond. Okay, look at it. Simon Ekpa, see what you don't know pass you. Gini kamaro. Simon Ekpa, how old are you na this struggle? Afọ neke go na IPOB way na agba speed the man and the DOS they have failed, they have compromised na nka ha compromise mgbe ejidebulu maazi before anye nwebe ESN obrokita. All this room of unu bido na asagali n'ọnụ. This same Nelly of Egbu puta bido na akpali Ifeanyi Ejiofor si na go compromise the mba ogbanje nuru D5. That 50 husband nya na ebiro ruo taa nya pụtara si na Ifeanyi Ejiofor anarugo bribe. No onye ndu ojikwa eme ya nke a mee nke ọzọ. Other same Nelly of Egbu today okwu ha hụwakwana ana akọ n'enu na akọ n'ana. During the time Maazị egosibeghị ihe ọpụtabeghị na court, most of you bidoro na-ebu Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor agha na ọnalugo bribe omego nke a. They have killed our leader. Barrister Ejiofor is lying for us. He is lying to us. He is lying. We don't believe him. Maazị is dead. They have killed our leader. Unu zuzugudi ha until Maazị pụta. Kite anything ọbụla Maazị kwuru na DSS unu attack here no lie. That is not true. But Maazị si na DSS si Simon Ekpa broadcast na radio Biafra unu believe ya Simon Ekpa turn down the offer. But today ọ na-akpụ that same DOS n'ọnụ. Ọ na-akpụ ha n'ọnụ. Gịnị ka o ji akpụ ha n'ọnụ for? Emezie Nelly of Egbu expel si na ọ bụghị Maazị kwuru ka eme ya expel. Because my people, I'm not going to pick any other call again. I'm done for today. Onwezi call na pick, but ihe m chọrọ ịgwa Simon Ekpa ọ mala asụnya asụ n'ikwe bụkwa na ọma ha asụnya asụ n'ọkpa ya nya make sure na ọsụrụ datin n'ọkpa ya nya hapụ ndị DOS aka nya continue with his expose n'ebe ndị Nigerian government nọ nya hapụla anyị DOS aka ma ha na-emete ma ha anaghị emete ọ gbasalụ ya. It is none of his business. He should leave us alone. Nya hapụ anyị aka. So in afia na I should continue. So he should, okay, he should leave us alone. Let me take this call again. Hello?
No.
Good afternoon from here, Maazị.
Okay, I'm calling from Indonesia.
Okay.
Thank you very much in your program now.
All right.
First time calling you.
Okay.
So my contribution here is this, that anybody that called you that say you should focus. It's our problem.
Okay.
That person is our problem.
Okay.
Because you can't see a son destroying his father's house. And people should not caution that son that is destroying his father's house. That the father should focus. Focus on what?
Imagine.
When you see somebody has suffered for more than 10 good years now, somebody that is not registered, somebody that is not a member. If this guy is a member, that one is apart, but he's not a member. He's not registered.
Okay, he's not a member of IPOB.
Yes, he's not a member of IPOB.
During the COVID-19.
No, the coordinator, even last week, the coordinator of Finland said it clear in the Pengas program that Simon is not a member. That if Simon is saying he's a member, let him bring proof that show that he's a member. So
really?
why would people allow someone that is not a member to dictate for them? They should know that why Simon didn't join, because had it been that Simon joined this struggle and take an oath, and he's now doing this thing he's doing, believe me, by now someone will be mad. He knows the reason why he don't want to be a member of IPO, because he must take an oath. And if he take an oath, he will not be doing this thing he's doing. So he knows strategies. His strategy is to try to destroy this thing. He's paid. He's highly paid. He knows what he's doing. So I don't know why. And he knows that he is fighting his last battle now, because he knows that if Onyedu comes out today, believe me, 1 week, Simon viewers will go down to even 40. You know what he's doing? He's fighting his last battle now, because you know that when Onyedu come out, he will watch all these broadcasts. He will go through all these things. Understand? He will go all these things, and there's no way Onyedu will go through this thing and see where Simon was giving counter order against US.
I don't know who appointed him to be monitoring DOS. Onyemeli appointed.
No way. See, all these people that are fighting against the structures of DOS know that they have end. Because if Onyedu come out, he will take 1 month to go every broadcast people are making in social media. After that, he will give a speech. And once he gives a speech, believe me, all these people that are fighting US, they will die. Their platform will die. Understand? So Simon is fighting. This is her last battle. So when I see him attacking the US, I know that this is his last fight.
I'm telling
because
you.
Know that he has already done. He's already done.
His motive. Who is he working for? When you can this man on
people don't know. Somebody that's not a member. You said that don't talk about him. That DOS should call him. Call who? Somebody that is not a member.
Imagine.
That somebody that's not a member of IPOB, DOS will just wake up and call the person.
Deputy director then. Who for them or Simon?
Okay, let DOS start calling people in Nigeria that please stop attacking us now. Stop attacking us now. Who is Simon Ekpa? For people to call you that he should leave Simon Ekpa, call him meeting. Let them have meeting. Have meeting with somebody that is not registered IPOB. What kind of people we have in this Biafra land? They can't reason. That's why Fulani people are slaughtering them, because they can't reason.
Okay, now Mazi ihe na-ada okwu a niile. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si na DSS dungeon wee nye ọdọ si Simon bido broka because of n'ọnụ karịa aka na broadcast na ihe anụnwa na Facebook, because ị na-eme anya ị ga-afụ na ọnụ kakwuru mụ nwa aka e wee gwa ya si go and be broadcasting there. Then Simon kwete agwazie ya ndị DOS gwazie ya ihe ọ ga-eme. Sacrifice your platform, drop your platform. Simon ju somebody na-enwenwughị ike drop ordinary as in common platform. Onye ma ga sacrifice regular life ya. Kono na amoro that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na sacrifice life ya now for us. Someone that sacrificed his parents.
When Simon Ekpa get that citizenship of Finland, did he pass some screenings? Did he sign some documents? He must have signed some documents. He must have applied. Why must he refuse to sign code of conduct of the US? Why must he refuse? That means that he had an internal motive. Because if he
I don't know why our people are brainwashing easily. I don't know why our people are brainwashing easily. At some point, that is not a bona fide member of IPOB, that they are going to his platform to listen, to get information about IPOB. Are these people mad?
I don't know.
Are these people mad? That as maybe I don't believe in maybe as hope Uzodimana is against IPOB and Biafra.
Nelly Ofebu is so proud. All the so proud. Nelly Ofebu. We never see her name.
That Nelly Ofebu has already gone, because there's no way that Mazi will come out and watch where he said that the problem why Biafra has not come is the family of Mazi Nankale.
Imagine,
I listened that broadcast and I said this woman has gone.
That's Emmanuel Kano Fulani boy. Na Kano Takano Nilogu Benne. Juzienu Monya a fight for freedom. Gini Wasaria Wasalu Benna Mazi Namdekan.
Okay, look at Simon Ekpa was explaining the interview by Sejofo had the other day. Is it what they sent you? Saying that it was the brother of Nankale compare by Sejofo to allow what the hell is that? Who sent you? He said that Sejofo should be making every movement public. How will Sejofo make it public without the concept of DOS? He will pass information to DOS. Then DOS had the right to make it public or not to make it public. That's the way it goes. Because Sejofo is under the DOS, IPOB, Biafra. So I don't know why people are going there to get information. Information of what are you going to Simon Ekpa to get information?
I don't know.
He will be shouting like I said it, I did this, I do that. What the hell out of that?
Far.
What? Okay, look at it. Okay, you say that you have power, you're from a police state. Then all this is at home you are conducting. Why not you use that Ebonyi State as an example? You cannot even get your own local government. You cannot even convince us in your own local government.
How conduct Sunday stroke Monday. Olu on Sunday everybody got church. Olu on Monday only open an azulasa. Social media.
That you want to be. As a leader you claim you want to be. Use your local government as an example. Let them go to that lockdown. So that we know that yes, you are for us. He cannot. He will be shouting, okay, travel home. Travel to Nigeria. Let us see you.
Mazi, thank you very much, Biko. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you people. As it stands now, all these whole people na imema attack. Unu ge anozie na ekiri. No more comment. Comment here can pick. That's a can pick jaga. Comment here. And anybody block on this platform, I block go forever. Comment here, depim. Iga na enenezim na anu ihe nnekwu. Inwe ezi choice. Irete fake account to be happy no kwange. That is me for you. So my people, on this note, I want to appreciate each and every one of you. Go and tell Simon Ekpa that he should go, as in he should keep a DOS name off from his mouth. Oburu no choro ka akpore bie. Nya na olo onwe nya maintain ole enye. Nya mebe expose ya. Onwe ihe gbasalo ihe anonwa nde ESN with ihe anonwa fundraising or DOS. Obasahia, it is none of his business. He is not anybody to come and be monitoring DOS. DOS on a meta anaghị emeta Obasahia. Onwe ihe gbasalia die. Kita ka nna ha know that my brother member of IPOB. Kezi ho na agbara neka. Somebody na aburo member of IPOB, and as it stands now, IPOB put the only organization as in ne restore anyi Biafra now. Odu busy na scatter everything. Ka struggle like was here nko wazulike eji achi ochi because of gene na kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Obu na kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu onye bụ Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa onye ka ọ command gara ome, onye ka onye gara command that person mee obe. Ọ ga-eji wee pụta na monitor DOS, na-emezi ha analyze, na-emezi ha expose n'isi. Ha ma bụzi expose ọ na-emezi na social media, and so many of you are dancing to his tone. You nwere ike ịkọla experience say that n'ihi ụzọ ị na-aga n'ọdụ dangerous pụta die, mana ibe na my platform esi m focus on aji ikpu nne gị na aji ikpu amụ nna gị. Ana m focus, but ị gaghị agwa Simon Ekpa that he should focus. So my people, biko gbado n'anya malụ na ihe unu esozine ndị ala, unu ejezi n'ebe ụzọ na-adịrọ. Simon Ekpa enweghị ihe ọchị, onweghị anybody ọ na-lead. Afụgo m nọ nghasa ka ọ bịara mkposa. Before I thought he was doing a wonderful job. Kita o deviate go ndị ọ na-achụzi bụ ndị DOS, disciples ụmụazị, confirmed disciples ụmụazị ka Simon Ekpa na-emezi analyze. So biko hapụ na ya, ka anyị focus ọ. Ị na-eje na platform ya you on your own gaba die, but ọ bụrụ na maazị pụta ewe nwa alọkata nlọ wee fụgo na my page ọ na my WhatsApp, my inbox ebe ịkọwa onwe gị, Chukwu ga-akpọ nne gị ọkụ that day, kpọọ nna gị ọkụ before ewe mbụ ọgwụ final ọnụ. Zuzubenu ihe unu na-ezuzu na nzuzu is allowed. Zuzubenu meghelibe sobenu ndị ala mgbe oge luolu ekretiri du kingdom. Onwe ihe unu kwuru maka Simon Ekpa apụta condemn ya, ọ na-pretend na ọmarọ while na onye na Nelly of Egbu na plan ya ekrete DOE o pretend na ọmarọ okwughị okwu concerning it na ọpụta ọ na-emelu na expose DOS bụ the expose Simon Ekpa na-eme. Ọ na-aza fight is for Biafra, ọ na-azi emezi Nigerian government expose ozi DOS, ọ na-emezi Maazị Nnamdi Kanu as in expose na nsogbu adọrọ. On this note, nyamala onye ọbụla na mma ka ntido maka na I have overstayed. Unu na unu ga-afọdat na mụ anaghị eji ike anọlụ na as in na broadcast low this time, but nke anọ nwa dahazi ọ gwụrụ m ike. I believe that na Simon Ekpa ga-aganwu this far. Dibia gbawalụ m afa na Simon Ekpa ga-emecha pụta full like this. Dahazi aga m believe. Nwe m ike believe, but kita all my eyes now is on him. That focus unu si ka focus unu chọ ka focus unu achọkwa anụ ka anyị mebie. My eyes now is on him. Nya pụtakwa again kwu okwu DOS ka m pụta jaa ya. Unu trust mo na kwa onye nke ase that na mo na mkpu nneti na onwe onye na-atụ ya ụjọ. Don't worry, mmetie n'isi gị na ikwete na ọ na-eme. My people, ka emesian. Ka emesian biko ọ bụrụ na share video, share around video. Ọ bụrụ na share the video, please share the video. Look at here one of the idiots sending him, very disappointed in you. I thought you were a human being without knowing that you are among idiotic animals. Look at animal. I will save this your write up. Oh, I block you. I can't block him now. I can't let happen. Can't chigatalogo. Kachuku bogo. Why are you running? Nena mumiri. Nenu weka mumiri. Okochala on block or me fugi henji kuno that na nye nwere ozi men. Okwe fugi nweke na agbalu nwanyi. Nweke na agbalu nwanyi ọsọ okochala mo on block o mgbafelu because o ma na nchigata na ebini na azu weri azin weri iwe bia na ogadu dangerous. Na enie na okoghericha look at anụmanụ nenu ngworo. I don't go into you your ego. Have I ever begged you for money? Nenu animal. Ever see you? Have you contacted me before? If want to go in the phone, you can get a block or mba. You can't learn all na. Can't chigatano. If you na broadcast, you will day her. You can lead them, but man, I broadcast. Can make alo. Can po boogie. Anumano. Umungworo. Ah, siri ako. Agwa mono na nye nwere ozi gossipers ke nwere. Nenu nweke bịara come on block one buffalo. Because ọ ma na nchigata azụ ma ọ ga-achọ onye bụ ya achọ. ọma na mada akarịla ọma na nwada achala ugo no de carry last na ana m agbakwanụ last onye nne amụbeghị na n'elu nwoke ka nwaanyị ọnụ gbafere blọk ngwọrọ ị na-abịa confuse aji ikpu nne gị jee confuse o nne gị ọ bụrụ m go and confuse your mother not me. Eriri gị eri ama nne na-ekiri m na eriri gị eri ị na-atụ m ụjọ nya ka iji blọk m mba unblock me ka mụ na gị mee ya unblock ọmụ na ịhide under fake account ị na-efulu onwe gị n'elu ihu m ka ị na-afụ ifuru ihe nji karịrị akarịka ngụ na onwe ihe unu ga-eme unu epeka ọkwa ị na-afụ ihu m ịma onye mbụ you know me a na-akpọ m nwaada achala ugo ka m bụ look at this is my real face I no put filter na my real face be this ịkọcha m ọnụ gbafuo pụta na vidio ka ọma ọnụ ka nnu onugo come out and challenge me ụmụ ngwọrọ gossipers everywhere akwụna na-echenjiri name of Biafra to Idu. None of you said anything about it. Unu ekwuru pim ọ na-echenjiri gị Idu from Biafra to Idu kingdom change DOS to DOE yet you people adube comfortable unu ka na-agbagharị with DOS na-agbagharị with IPOB unu set go up na own name ka ihe unu ka na-esogharịla anyị gịnị ka unu ka na-esogharịla anyị for face yenu no channel unu na ọkwa eke go ọlụ eke face na Idu with DOE kedu ihe unu na-achọla anyị okwu ịkọ ọnụ decha rush ya blọk n'Enugu i campaign ọ na-afụ nchanụ ọ na-afụ kanụ ịmaka ọnụ m na-adị nke ọ na-ekọmiti suicide igbu onwe gị ozigbo jebe n'egi Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọ na DSS na ị na-agbagharị asịrị na social media every platform ị na-ekreti fake account ị na-akọ nwaanyị ọnụ nwoke na-akọ nwaanyị ọnụ look at you na unu ncha ndị yi eso anyị na-akpụ na Biafra land look at them common brain common sense ha nwere Simon Ekpa na-achịgharị gị ka mkpụrụ amụ ị na-eso ọ na-achịgharị gị ọlọvụrụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kidnap Maazị si ngwa continue broadcasting na radio Biafra keep the fire burning Simon Ekpa turn ya down ichiga na-eso kịta ọ malụgo na DOS anaghị emete ya ọfụma ọ pụtazie na-eme ha expose na-destroy ha bụ dị expose ọ na-eme ị na-efole ị na-eso Simon Ekpa anụmanụ dịka ngwọrọ ọ dara n'ikpo nnụnụ gbata nza ị kwesịghị blọk m na ọkwa ụmụ nwoke ka iwu ibu amụ ịkwọta anyụma mere mụnwa na-etukwu a na anyụma mere ịkọcha m ọnụ blọk m mụ na gị na-akere onye ka ibe of course aka ngọ unblock me ịma na ịbụ nwoke unblock me ka m tinye gị epele n'isi na ka ikwete unblock me ụmụ anụmanụ na-enwe anyị dịka m pụta na-efesi the whole ihe anụnwa na-aghọ mgbọ niile ịbịa na my page ịsọtọ ọnụ you have never for one day called Simon Ekpa say leave DOS alone ebe ọ bụ na ha dị emete focus on Nigerian government let us keep exposing them ikwuhie ịgwahịa Simon na ịbịa ị na-agbata m ele because abụ nwaanyị ngwọrọ ụmụ okoko don't worry ka maazị pụta ọ ga-eme ọnụ ncha n'anya ka o jechaa pụta ka unu kwete na ọ na-eme ịpụta lukata akwụna Nelly of Egbu nwaanyị asọ n'ihu nsọ dị 5 husbands dimkpa 5 ọ ihe daazị ebe dimkpa 5 dị negoro Nelly of Egbu gịnị fọrọ ebe ọ nọ a useless woman pụta na-asị gị n'Idu kingdom ọgbaba akwụna agbacha ọpụta na-akọghị Idu kingdom DOE a na-ezuzie Simon Ekpa emechi ihe a behind camera Simon Ekpa pụta na-pretend everyday ọkpụrụ DOS n'ọnụ tọnda ya akwari ọnụ ya ahụ o ji akpọ DOS chukwu ya akpọ data ọnụ ọkụ Chineke ahụ ịkpọ ọnụ Simon ọkụ ọ na-akpọrị DOS na DOS riri nke edowerie mana agwara ya jere na broadcast na radio Biafra ọjụ gịnịzi ka ọ na-akpụrụ ha n'ọnụ fọ gịnị ka ọ na-akpọrọ ndị DOS afa na ha dị emete meaning what onye meri appoint ị na-monitor DOS who appointed Simon Ekpa to be monitoring DOS onye meri appoint onye ka ọ bụ ke na zone ọ na-eme operate kedu receipt dues ọ na-atụ kedu nke receipt duzie na IPOB ọ ga-eji wepụta everyday ọkpụrụ DOS n'ọnụ because of na kidnap ziri Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Onye ọbụla feel that they have arrived. Neli ofegbu kọrụsi ebe anyanwụ akọrụsi ebe a na-echenji Biafra to Idu, change DOS to DOE, still ojubeghị n'afọ. Kite ebunitene no ireziri no irezi nwunye Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ego $30. Ego ahụ a ga-erezi n'ini unu niile one by one. A ga-erezi that money n'ini unu ncha niile. N'ini unu niile ka a ga-erezi that money. Ndị ala ewu. All gossipers, look at them, gossipers. I've been on my inbox, I call them on the blog, all gossipers. And now going around, now gossip. That person in the folly, all over Mazi will go broadcast, keep that fire burning. Can the Nigerian mother that's not kidnap, I don't want anything to know now. Or reject the offer, or you, or put us on an disciple of Mazi. Who made you Maazị Nnamdi Kanu disciple? Do you know the meaning of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu's disciple? Did you know what it takes to be Maazị Nnamdi Kanu's disciple? And say go drop your platform, Ejo. And this enable it's enable disciple of Maazị. Tomorrow now Maazị Nnamdi Kanu say mo drop on my platform. Je broadcast na Radio Biafra. Ichenam meme mgbaga. Ichenam ga-agbaga ya agbaga. For the betterment of my people, I will drop my platform and join the place Osim join ya. Mayor with all my heart. Ma bụrụ na ihe na-aga aga. Onye mmalụ nke ọ ga-eme ome itinye ihe ije ọkpa itunye okwu ọnụ. Ọ ka esi eme. Ọ bụrụ na itunye ihe ije ọkpa itunye okwu ọnụ ozigbo ihe a na-aga. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-ata ụfụ na ọ na-give out his life now. Ọ nọ na-ebe ọ nọ na ihe niile na-eme die because of mụ na gị na-abụ asizie ego common platform drop ya broadcast na Radio Biafra because of peanut money na-enweta na platform Ejo and they put the claim money love Maazị and they talk Biafra bịa. You are disciple Maazị. Continue deceiving the gullible ones ị ga na-deceive, not nwa ada achala ugo. Ịghọtago? Biko my people ka ntị dogodonu biko ka emesịa m share video bụ na share hapụ ndị na-agba asịrị ha gbawa. Onye ọbụla na-akụ m asịrị n'azụ na-akpọ anti ịkọcha m ọnụ, you have no choice than to block me because ịhapụ onwe gị dị nchighata. Sorry go be your name. Jee jukwa ese jụọ ndị mebuli eme before anakwa m agbala